Today we're going to be doing a review of the Burchda R5 Pro. This is a fat tire bike, so it's really good for off-road. One of the main benefits is that it is foldable. And this was a game changer for me because I don't have anything to where I can install a bike rack on here just yet. And it fits right into the back of my car. And I drive a SUV and it's really good on gas mileage. So most of the time, I'm in this vehicle. This has a 5,000 watt peak motor on it. It's also a Shimano 7-gear adjustable. This bike can not only go up to 40 miles per hour, but it can, at its max capabilities, go 90 miles. This specific model has a 30 amp hour battery as well that just makes this thing last super long, and that's how you really get that 90 miles out of it. And that's in the basic riding conditions, obviously on flat ground, but you know, out here in the mountains where I'm at, this is going to be an essential key for me to get to places fast and quiet. And it comes with this nice little saddle bag that goes right on the back. Installation of all the parts once it first arrived was pretty simple. The instructions are pretty clear. It does have a 5-level pedal assist as well. That way you're not using just the motor whenever it comes to the power on this bike. And what's nice is you have these adjustable handlebars as well, so you can rotate them up or down and whatever angle you prefer. And it has a really nice bright headlight on the front of it. But yeah guys, let's go take this thing for a ride. So you just hold the power on button right here. Display comes on. These are your speed settings right here. If you look right here, there's a little tiny bicycle, guy on a bicycle. You hold that. Now we're in front wheel. Now we're in all wheel. And you just give her a little go. Like an old homestead or something. Old hunting cabin maybe. They sold the land to the government. I think they got it nailed shut. Oh, there's a little doorway. Tons of carvings and people signing. Wow. You wake up and oh. But now there's a highway right there, so like it's not as nice as it would have been. So let me show you this saddle bag. So this air pump came with the bike. Got my water in there. Some gloves because I was out and it was cold the other morning. Some tools right there, just standard kit for how-to on the bike. And then on this side, I've got my camera, a medical kit, some dude wipes, and then a knife down there, because you never know what's going to happen. You never know when you'll need one. Up the hill. So I'm going to do a test real quick. I'm going to put her in rear wheel drive, and then I'll try front wheel drive also, see how she does getting up these steeper parts. It might not look super steep to you, but it's a pretty decent hill. All right, this is rear wheel drive. gonna stop out right there. All right, now we're gonna try front wheel drive. Some weight on it. Yep, nope, can't do front wheel, not on this hill. Okay, this is all wheel drive. You can definitely tell the power difference. It's actually incredible. I'm just gonna cruise her all the way back. We're gonna take this thing off-road real quick. Try and climb this massive hill right here. I just hope I don't hit any big rocks. Oh, it's a steep hill. Let's try it. Oh, we're almost there. This is sketchy. Whew. It is not like this. Oh, made it to the top. So yeah, I put her to the test today. Now I'm going to show you guys how I take this and put it into my car. And excuse the mess, because I've been on the road for about 3 or 4 days. All my stuff's thrown around and I've been camping out of the car. So you guys know how it gets. But let's get into it. I like to unlock it and get this battery out. So I'll take my keys and I will open, or I'll unlock this. And there might be an easier way of doing it. I really haven't had step-by-step instructions, but take my battery out. I'll set that to the side. And I don't think everybody has to do this, but I'll take my handlebars like so, extend in, fold it up like so, and now this bike is 105 pounds. Lift her up like this. Put her in like this. Boom. It folds up, fits in there. It said I had full battery still on that bike, and I've taken it for about a 30-minute ride the other day. Probably just did a 30-minute ride right there as well. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And that is the Burchda R5 Pro.